first connect the USB-C cable to the USB-C port at the back of your Reolink security camera. And then as soon as you connect the cable, you should start hearing this message.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app.
Now take the manual and find the QR code and then scan it using your phone and then select the link. This would then take you to the Reolink app in the App Store. And if you don't have the QR code, you could directly search Reolink in the App Store and then tap on Get to install the app. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open and then tap on Start. You will need to agree to the terms of service. So tap on agree. To allow notification, tap on allow. And then you might get a message saying Reolink would like to send you critical alerts. Tap on allow. Then in the Reolink home tab, you will see the option to add new device. Tap on it. Reolink would like to access your camera. Tap on allow. If your QR code is not scanning, then select LAN and then select configure Wi-Fi via Bluetooth. If your camera is not on, then find the cover at the bottom of the camera and open it. Find the power button and hold it for 5 seconds to turn on the camera. Go back to the app and then tap on next. If you can't hear the setup message from the camera, then you will need to reset the device. So quickly press the power button 3 times to reset the camera. And if you still can't hear the message, then unplug the USB-C cable, wait for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. And then hopefully you should be able to hear this message.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app.
Come back to the app and then tap on I have heard the voice played by the device checkmark and then tap on next. Then Reolink would like to access your Bluetooth devices. Tap on allow. Make sure your phone is near to the camera and the next message is to allow Reolink to access your location. Tap on allow while using app. Time to enter your Wi-Fi info. So enter your Wi-Fi password and then tap on next. Then you will need to allow camera to access local networks by tapping on allow. You could save your passwords if you want to. And now camera is connected to your Wi-Fi. That is why it's detecting that a new version of its software is available. So tap on update. Keep your phone near to the camera and make sure the screen stays on and don't change to any other app. Just wait until the camera's software is updated. Now you need to create Reolink's app password. Enter your password and then confirm the same password and then tap on next. Enter the name of your device or select one of the given options and then tap on next. I bought this micro SD card recently, so I get the message that it was never formatted. So tap on next and then you will need to tap on confirm to confirm formatting your micro SD card. So these are a few tips of where to position your camera so that it would avoid frequently moving objects. You should not directly point it to strong light or to heat sources or to mirror. And it should not be far away from your Wi-Fi signal. And then tap on next, read the statement and then scroll down and then tap on I got it. Initialization is now complete. Tap on next. And then it would ask you to access your photos. Tap on limit access. Tap on the check mark. This would then save the QR code of your device for future references. And finally, tap on I got it. And then select the live camera from your app. To learn how to install the camera, watch my next video.